Are you going to allow me bury my mother in peace? Are you? What is the meaning of this?
You pushed me to a path of no return, and I'm ready to pay back.
Are you going to allow me bury my mother in peace?
Etiko, you messed up. But it's fine. Let me allow you. It's okay.
What is it?
Obiajulo.
Obiajulo. Who is Obiajulo?
Obiajulo.
Please calm down. It's just a dream. Please. Relax. Relax your mind. Calm down. Calm down. Money. You can't buy me happiness. Neither can you give me a child. Money. I have you, but I can't have a child of my own. I have all the money in the world, but I have no happiness. I am a sad woman.
Baby, welcome to my home. That's my wife. That's what she does. Stay and talk to herself. Although we don't have children, but we have money. We have a lot of money that I can go around if you want to spend.
I don't understand.
Is that an evil money?
No, it's not. It's not an evil money. This is the money I cannot finish. My 7th generation cannot finish this money. So we're trying to look for people that can help us spend this money. Are you game?
Wow.
Just say yes and forget the wow. Go upstairs and let me show you how to spend money. Let's go upstairs, stop worrying. Let's go upstairs and have some fun. Move. Let me go and hug you so that people will understand that life is for the living. My baby. Money can never be my problem. My son.
Etiko, I will come for you. Like wildfire sears the bush in Hamilton. I will burn. Oh, I will burn, and nothing will remain. I will burn! Etiko, I will burn! I will burn, and nothing will remain.
Everybody down! Move the cuffs in the car, you down! Put it in the car! I said move it! Put it inside the car! Down! Down, everybody!
Hello, sir. Some masked women just attacked us and took away my mother's cups. I don't... Alright, sir.
What are we going to do? What do we do now, please?
Educate. We are still waiting for the police.
Is it possible for you to just shut up and let me think?
Educate, you have been thinking for the past 1 hour now. The police, we have not gotten any report from them. This is our mother's corpse we are talking about.
Brother, please. We need to go and find Mama's corpse. We are taking too long. Please.
Who is this? What?
Hey! Listen, tell me anything. Name your price. Just give me back my mother's corpse.
What?
No. Oh, no. No, that's not possible. Omeke can be responsible.
What? Omeke?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Ejike, who was that? And what did he say? Ejike, who was that? And what did he say? What? No.
Relax. Relax.
Omeke. Omeke. We shall see.
Ejike. Ejike, you don't want to talk?
Let us go.
Please calm down.
Ejike, go where?
Just relax. Relax. Relax, we got this. We got this. Just relax. Relax.
It's time for war. The battle line is drawn. It's drawn. If follow this fight, I am ready. I must crush you. I am ready. Flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. No more friendship. This is war. This is battle. Oh my God, what is the...
It is about getting water. My beloved brother, the king of my family, the vengeance has just begun. Now I have found out what you were saying about Ejike. He's so evil. Evil personified. He ruined my life. He made my life completely worthless. But I promise you something, bro. I will make him have a taste of misery. I would do that. I would do that for you. I would do that.
The battle line is drawn. It's drawn. If follow this fight, I am ready. I must crush you. I am ready. Flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. No more friendship. This is war. This is battle. Oh my God, what is the cause? Onyega Wamo.
Umeke! Umeke! How dare you? How dare you? Where is my mother's corpse? Where is my mother's corpse and you're moping at me? Where is my mother's corpse?
What madness? What are you talking about?
What do you mean by what am I talking about? Where is my mother's corpse?
What are you going to do with your mother's corpse? I was just coming from your father's house, even for your mother's burial, and I was told that something went wrong. I was even looking for you. What type of rubbish is this?
What type of rubbish is
yes!
this? I know that you hate me. I took the biggest title that you couldn't take. I finished the building, the church building that you could not finish. I know you're not happy with me, but that's your business. Where is my mother's corpse?
What do you think you are doing? You are accusing me of such an evil? What are you talking about? What am I going to do with your mother's corpse? Is it meat? Is it meat? I can just look. Take it. Rubbish. Rubbish. Ruba. Come on. Look, you want to die? You want to die? Okay. Get them out of my way right now. Get lost. If I lose my temper. Useless cost children.
The battle line is drawn. Is drawn. If follow this fight, I am ready. I must crush you. I am ready. Flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. No more friendship. I am. This is war. I am. This is battle. I am. Oh my God, what is the cause? I am. Onyega Bomo. I am. I wicked man, onye jidori rie, evil man, onye jidori teacher, evil person, maka the great Shinkaka is your power. If follow this fight, I am ready. Upon flesh to flesh, I am ready. Blood to blood, I am ready. I'm gonna show you, say, I am ready. I be woman, I am. Yeah. This is war, I am. This is battle, I am.
Can I have a word with you?
Tina, as you can see, the weather is not clement. He's not feeling too fine, please.
Are you talking to me?
This is not a good time for us. Please, go and come back later.
I only asked a simple question, God damn it. Have you gone down? I wasn't talking to you. Were you by any chance referring to me?
Yes, he is talking to you. He is talking to you.
Oh. Get them down and have them wiped.
What do you want?
You want to see your mother's corpse? Do you want your mother to be buried? I mean, do you want to ever see your mother's corpse again? Then come to my house. Let's talk. I have no word for you right here. Not at all. Let's go.
I am ready. I am ready. She's ready for war. I am ready. I am ready. Osinya bite tiwa tiwa. Isi madigada. Aye. Isi madigada. Aye. Ifeji kemelmo. Aye. Ne utem. Opiala mo talindimo. Aye.
Now you think she has her mother's car?
Where is my mother's corpse? Where is my mother's corpse?
There lies the remains of my beloved elder brother. You led him to his early grave. And as if that wasn't enough, you made me lose my womb. And here you are spewing nonsense. Your mother's corpse. I tell you something. This is just the beginning of your sorrows, Etiko.
I haven't come here to exchange words with you. Let me have my mother's corpse. Let me have my mother's corpse, else!
Else what?
Don't you dare me!
You! What will you do? What? No, tell me. You try to play with fire and that fire will definitely consume you. What is wrong with you? What do you think of yourself? Huh? No! Let the swarm of bees come. Let them come and let's see who they will sting.
You're daring me. Tina, you are daring me. Let me have my mother's corpse. Tina, you're playing with me. I will crush you.
He just said that he will crush me. Oh, I'm scared. You will crush me. Can you hear yourself speak? Etiko, take a look around you. I'm sure you're not blind. Is this the teeny Tina you once knew? Of course not. No. Now let me remind you, I have absolutely nothing to lose. I have no mother, no father, and my beloved elder brother you have taken away. So say that one more time, and you will not just be looking for your mother's corpse, but that of your entire family. Something is definitely wrong with you. Well, I can be all merciful. You want to see your disgusting, irritating mother's corpse? Go behind the house. Her carcass is lying right there. Stupid.
I am ready. I am ready. She's ready for war. I am ready. I am ready. Osinya bite tiwa tiwa. Isi madigada. Aye. Isi madigada. Aye. Ifeji kemelmo. Aye. Ne utem. Opiala mo talindimo. Aye.
Oh, it has come to this. It has come to this. Tina! Tina! It has come to this. Tina! Show yourself. It has come to this. All right. Tina! It has come to this. Tina! Tina! Show yourself!
Is it true that Tina Wamadi instructed her girls to abduct your mother's corpse?
You're asking me. You heard? Well, she did. She will feel my wrath. She's messing with the big bad wolf. She doesn't know me. She doesn't know me. Show yourself, Tina!
Where is she? Where's Tina? Where is she?
Where is she? You're asking me, where is Tina? You're asking me, where is Tina? You show me Tina! Show me Tina, you see what I'll do to her? Show me Tina! Provide Tina for me!
If what he's saying is the truth, we have to send you to burn this house immediately. It is an abomination.
Abomination! Abomination! You wait for my wrath.
But where's Tina?
You will see the real abomination.
Where is Tina? That's my question. Where is she? Where's Tina?
You're asking me. You talk about abomination. Tina will see my wrath. You talk about abomination. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Abba, no, listen. We have to go right now and inform the parish priest. Okay. And of course the king. So we'll know what to do. Please.
I think it's proper for us to ask the church to go.
See, it boils down to what I said earlier. It's only the parish priest that has the right to tell the church members to go. So let's go. Let's go. Immediately.
My love, where is your car? What happened?
Etiko, what's going on?
Brother, please. Tell us what is going on so we know what to do. I beg you. People are waiting for us at home. The church members, our in-laws, everybody is...
Tell them to go home!
Why?
Burial is over!
How, Etiko? Why? Makakini, Etiko, why? What's going on? Talk to me.
Burial ceremony of our mother is over.
Mama!
Mama!
Oga, somebody just drop your car outside.
My mother!
This thing is very strange. It has never happened in this land before.
Yes.
I was rightly informed that Tina is responsible for that action.
Huh?
Tina.
The same thing.
Tina. Quote me. Tina. So it is Tina that did this thing. And this boy, Ejike, came to embarrass me that I'm the one that took the mother's corpse. Joanna, will I eat the woman's corpse? Is it me? Joanna?
Calm down.
Greetings, my elders.
Tina, how true is what we are hearing? That you, Tina, went and took away the corpse of a woman whose burial is slated to happen today. Everything about the burial has been prepared. You, Tina. How?
Please, Ichie, I have no idea of what you just said. Yes, the only thing I know is that Ejike came to my house and was trying so hard to convince me that I should lie against Ichie Omekeni here. Yes, that he abducted the mother's corpse.
Oh!
And I know it is a very ridiculous thing to do. So I told him that I would do no such thing and sent him out of my house. That's the only thing. That's all.
Ichie, have you heard it? So it is this boy that planned this to nail me, accusing me of stealing his mother's corpse. What will I be doing with you?
Officers, that is the witch that took my mother's corpse. That's the witch. Arrest her! Arrest her!
Police.
I'm under arrest for what?
Arrest this witch!
You're under arrest. We are taking you to the station.
Please, I need to make a call right now. Please, I won't take your time. Just a minute.
Are you going to allow her to make the call? Arrest this witch! Witch!
Hello, sir. Yes, I'm good, sir. So please, a quick one. I am with some of your men here. Yes. They came for an arrest, so you need to speak to them. They need to know who I am. Okay, sir. Yes.
Who are you?
Please speak to your boss.
Who are you? Give me back my mother's corpse.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. What is this?
Hey, you're under
Pass
arrest.
my position, pass power. Yes.
What do you mean I'm under arrest? I brought you here to arrest. My friend, you're under arrest. I brought you here. I brought you here. Look at it.
Let's move. Move it.
I brought you here.
Move it.
I brought you here.
I go wine.
Police,
I go wine. Mama don't die.
My elders, have you seen?
Thank you.
Have you seen him? That you abducted the mother's corpse.
Imagine.
You are very correct. At least we have seen it here.
And he went to call police first. Onye police in America.
Tina, my dear, I know that something might have transpired between you and Ejike, but please, to take revenge with the mother's corpse is absurd. I know today is the day that they are burying their mother. Please, release it to them and let them to bury their mother. Let the dead rest. Please. Listen to me, my daughter, please.
I will return the corpse to them. It's just that I'm very, very angry with Ejike. Ejike is so evil. He ruined my life. But that should be a story for another day. I will certainly return the corpse to them. I'll do that.
That's good of you. That's good. Thank you very much for listening to my advice. But please, one other thing. You see that boy Ejike? Be very, very careful with him. I repeat, be very, very careful. Because he's an embodiment of evil. Be very careful. Please.
I need not to be told. I'm always careful. Thank you very much.
Mr. Man, why do you say here?
We want to bail our brother, Ejike.
Want to bail your brother, Ejike? Okay, so how many days do you want to stay with him in the cell?
I beg your pardon? I said we have come to bail our brother, Ejike, and you're... Listen. Do you know the personality you're incarcerating? Do you know? That man is the richest man in my community. Are you aware?
Really? See, I don't want to Madam Tina's money, hear this nonsense when they talk. But I have something to tell you.
Okay.
Come close.
Yeah, what is it?
No, Tina money. Yeah. Give an instruction.
Which is?
Stand now, sir. You're under arrest. Come down. Move this man close. Fire. Pull up.
What's the meaning of this? You will regret this. Are you mad? You will regret this. What? What is now? You will regret it. You will regret it. You will see. You know it's not money. You must regret. You are doing this to me. Do you have a son there?
Something happened.
What?
Something just happened just now. Something just happened just now.
What happened?
We went to the police station to bail Ejike and Ndudi was arrested instead. I'm even lucky that I escaped.
You are very lucky indeed.
What did you say?
I say you are very lucky indeed.
What it means is that you are lucky to have escaped. That you are lucky not to have been arrested too and put in the cell. Look, you people refuse to tell us exactly what is happening and you expect us to put our head into it.
I don't know what is happening. I don't know what is happening. Please, someone should help me. I don't know anything.
We don't know what is happening as well. Unless you people tell us the truth before we put our head into the matter.
Why are we wasting our time? Let us go home and rest.
Until they are ready for the burial.
When you have people ready, you let us know.
Somebody should help me.
Thank you very much. We will help you when you tell us the truth.
Somebody help me.
Oh yes. That's why I'm broken. No, can't help this.
I don't know.
Where is my love? Where is Ndudi? What is happening?
We got there and we were trying to bail him. They now arrested Ndudi.
Arrested Ndudi for what? What was his crime?
I don't know. I am so confused. I don't know what is going
Tina. Please, maybe we should go and talk to Tina.
Tina. Do you know her house?
Yes.
Where do you know her?
What do you want?
We are here to see your boss.
Is there any problem?
There's no problem, just
allow us to see her, please.
She is not in the mood to see anyone. You can go and come back tomorrow.
Please. Yeah. Auntie, Biko, no. Oh no, Biko. Just allow us to see her. It is very important. Biko, no, oh mommy. Biko. Please.
Why do you want to see me?
please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God. Help me. Help me and save me this stress today. I beg you.
You haven't said anything yet. It's me.
Bioma, Ikono, we have come to plead with you to tell the police to release Etiko and his brother. Iko,
I will do no such thing.
Hey!
Your useless brother looked me in the face and called me just a woman. So I haven't done anything to him. I'm just going to give him a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. I want to show him what a woman can do. He's going to get you tomorrow. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
It was a slip of tongue.
You know, I get really paranoid when I hear your voice. I hate to see your face, your presence and noise and irritates me. If you know what is good for you, this miserable woman, get up and get out of my house. Please, please. Do your job.
Now!
No, please, please.
Don't rush them, don't rush them. Get the hell out of this place. Oh yeah?
Out.
Out. Look at it.
Put this place.
Get out of there now. You're wearing heel. You're coming to beg, you're wearing heel. People in the bag, don't be low shit anyway. Okay, you can't wear the con now.
Do you even have heels?
Mr. Etiko, I hope you enjoyed your stay over there. I hope you had so much fun.
Tina, what you did, to say the least, was sheer callousness, sheer wickedness.
You keep quiet. One more word from this miserable mouth of yours and I shall send you back to where you're coming from. And this time, you will not return.
Mama.
You win. Can we just put an end to this whole power tussle? Give me back my mother's cups so that I can give her a befitting burial so she can rest in peace.
Are you about to cry? I thought you were a strong man. Why are you giving me that face? Anyway, I'll just have pity on your silly asses. When you get home, go behind your house, at the backyard to be precise. You will find your mother's cups. And yes, I hope you have not forgotten what I told you when you visited my house. See this? This is just the beginning of your sorrows.
I am ready. I am ready. She's ready for war. I am ready. I am ready.
That girl must suffer. Etiko, that girl must suffer. I will take her name to the strongest deity of Mbanasato. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
Now that the burial ceremony of our mother is over, I should start planning for my wedding so I can go back to the UK.
Etiko, with what happened during Mama's burial, I would advise you slow down on any wedding arrangement for now.
I should slow down on any wedding arrangements for now. Why? Why? Because of who? Tina? Really?
Brother GK, that's not what Brandu is trying to say. I think you should allow the enmity and hatred to die down a bit before you can plan your wedding. Life has no duplicate.
Life has no duplicate. Well spoken. At least I know who my enemy is. Tina. With time, I will crush her. Just little time. Oh, because of the little money, change the brother left behind. Little time.
Etiko, you see, we do not want a repeat of what happened during Mama's burial.
Exactly.
We do not want it at all. It wasn't the best of experience, if you ask me. Tina is a woman. Sure, I will not dispute on the fact. But her antecedents are dangerous and should not be taken for granted.
Dangerous?
Very dangerous.
You're my family. So you don't know who you're talking to. She's my enemy, she will feel my wrath. With time, we will know who is more dangerous.
So, when are you traveling back to the city? Koginana?
Well, I'm looking at tomorrow. I have a meeting with the elders later today, so tomorrow.
Brother, hurry and leave. Please. This village is not safe for you. You can even start living today.
You're right. The village is not safe when I'm around.
I mean, the village is not safe for you.
For me?
Yes.
The reason we are here is for us to deliberate over the good and well-being of this community, especially in the area of our secondary school project, which is going to curb the sum of 100 million naira.
That's a lot of money. 100 million naira. Okay. I will come in here. I will be supporting every donor with a sum of 2 million naira. After that, I will still answer my name why I am called Omekenyi in this community. I will not lose.
Hey! Omekenyi. Oga drege na mma. Onye si na ọma drege na mma. Ma ni na ịma dị ndụ. Dị efe ịkpụta. Ya nyụọ si ya nyụ na mamịrị. Onye nyụrụ si nyụ gị mamịrị o ji ala ugbo. Oga drege na mma.
Thank you very much, Omekenyi. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much. We'll move forward. Yes.
My elders, I've heard what you said. Yes. I'll support the building project. 10 million.
Wait. After your mother's burial.
After much expenses.
That is a man. You are a man.
Agunia Kobo. My son, the true son of the soil.
Omekenyi. What about it? I know.
So I am a photo. Was a photo kind. I will go to school. School, I will go now. Omekenyi as long as support every donor 22 million.
Please, I'm sorry for coming late. Naomekenyi, I greet you specially.
Adugu. Who said you came late?
Shall be well with you.
Before I proceed, I would like to know where you people stopped. But before we proceed, I especially want to thank all the elders here with the sum of 2 million naira each. All their efforts in the development of this town.
Wow!
Each.
Arola with 2 million.
But I also need to know the estimated budget for the building of the modern secondary school.
Yeah. The total sum is 100 million. So far, my son here, the son of the soil, promised to give us 10 million. Omekenyi Odogwu promised to support every donor with 2 million naira each. And he will answer his name.
I saw you be, I talk.
That is really nice. Omekenyi, you have done greatly well.
God bless you, my.
And I support what you have said with the sum of 11 million. The 100 million naira estimated budget for this project, I personally would donate it to you.
I not say.
I heard something when Ichie was talking. He said one riffraff brought 10 million.
I'll get it. Not a riffraff. Son of the soil.
Brought
Yes.
what?
10 million.
What will 10 million naira do in a project of 100 million naira? Do you know that it is modern secondary school we are talking about here?
You know.
Well, before we proceed, I would like this riffraff that donated 10 million to leave this place. If not, I'm not going to be involved in this. No, he needs to leave. Or should I go?
No.
As he go. As he go.
Ejike, you have heard what that said. And there's no way we will sit here and allow our dad to go.
No, him, Ejike. No, him.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
What is Cherishiri? I'm asking you what Cherishiri. If she wants to go, let her get out of this place. Hey, go. Leave this place.
How can we throw away somebody that will give us 100 million naira, bankroll this project single-handedly with other things for a 10 million naira?
Oh.
For what?
It
It can never be done. And that is not going anywhere.
10 million.
10 million.
10 million, 10 million.
10 million.
Huh? Can you use it to compare 100 million?
Wait.
We know it after his mother's burial.
But we still have to take a decision. Should I go?
No. So now you now call what I brought here, huh? And you open your mouth to say I should go. I should go. You, Tena, you've been opening your eyes since. I do not have problem with you. Uncle, you're not going to say anything.
What else can I say? So, let us do what is right for the community.
Etiko, we are not asking you to go. All we are saying is that use your description. Look at what is on the ground. Are you expecting us to throw away 100 million for a meager 10 million naira? It's not done now. Money.
Please, we don't want her to change her mind. But that young man is a son of the soil. Even after his mother's burial, he gave us 10 million.
Then why the thing,
Okay, so we should throw away 100 million.
You. This is not the end. It's not over yet. You feel my wrath. You.
And my elders, please. In case you need any, I want to donate extra 50 million. Hey! On top of the 100 million, in case if there is anything you need to sort out in this community when I'm not around, just put your hand, dip your hand into the pocket, bring out money and sort it out.
Ada, you should have said this earlier before now. Let him go.
He has used his discretion. He has used his discretion.
Let her go.
On our go now.
But he tried to.
Even if he does not want to support, can we close this topic of this man that just left? Let me bring something for you.
In a Koromak for 10 million naira. 10 million naira. Yeah, money.
Yes. Thank God.
On our way for bad, the chose I can be bad.
How did he go? Hmm? You're not talking to me.
Chimuwene. This is big. It's too much now. For them?
If you can say it, where will I get money to fix this? Where will I get money to buy all this for them?
This is way too much. Papa.
Obiajulu, you have tried. Go in there and rest.
Obiajulu! 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 My hard-earned money. Obiajulu. Hi.
Ogine Menike.
Yatina. It's not a matter of Ogine. Mpa, where is Obiajulu?
Why are you shouting like that? Obiajulu is not around.
Hey, I saw Obiajulu walk into this compound a few minutes ago and you're telling me he's not around.
But I just told you, are you seeing him here? I just told you he's not around.
Obiajulu is now hiding.
He is not hiding. I just said he's not here.
Tina, tell your brother to keep my money for me. Tell Obiajulu to give me my money. Hey, I don't want to come back.